guys, today I'll try to turn $100 on binary options into $500, making my deposit 5 times bigger. So in this video, I'm using one simple but effective strategy that will help to earn not only me but also you. So enjoy! So before we get started, let's apply the required indicator. It's called Alligator. Yep. Now let's manage it. We click here, choose styles, and apply an extra pixel here, so it's 2 pixels now. Okay, we click save. That's it. Let's figure out how to work with this indicator. So we see 3 lines. Blue line shows us the general trend. We'll guide on it. Okay, this line serves us as a level of resistance or support for us. So if the price reaches this line, we open a deal for rollback. Second way to work with this indicator is to intersect the blue line by 2 other ones. Okay, those intersections means general trends change. If we see 2 lines intersect the blue line from bottom to top, then it means the trend's being changed to upward, and we open a deal with higher accordingly. So if vice versa, 2 lines intersect the blue one from top to bottom, then we open a deal with lower. Now we'll move to trading. So found the first case, I open a deal with lower. We see the price reached the blue line, which serves us as level of resistance. And this is why I enter a deal with lower. Besides, we observe the candle with a small body and big shadow at the top, which means seller is in this area and they're going to push the price down. Look at how beautifully this indicator worked our signal. Oh my god, look at this impulsive motion. Wow, I think this deal will be likely closed in a confident profit. As expected, we take the profit. Let's go on. Found another case. I open a deal for 1 minute with lower. We see the price broke the blue line through, which was a level of support for us. We can also see the line's intersection from top to bottom, which means the trend's being changed to downward. Besides, have a look at the candles. They're impulsive and full-bodied, and that means the seller is strong and they will push the price down. While the deal's in process, I'd like to give you some advice, guys. I recommend you to point attention to some other factors besides indicator signals, secondary ones such as candles, levels, or general trend. They will help you to find a more accurate entry point. Now the deal is closed in a profit, and we go on. I would also like to decrease my bet amount so the risks are less. Let's do it. Found another case, I'm going to open a deal with lower. So, we see the blue line was broken through, which served us as a level of support. I also see the blue line's intersection from bottom to top, which means the trends change. I open a deal for $100 with lower. By the way, the previous candle was closed in a very interesting way. It has a big shadow at the top and small body. It is a good confirmation for our entry point. In this video, I'm taking big risks for you. I strongly recommend considering all risks in your trading. Have a look at this beautiful downtrend and how at the very end the deal was closed at a loss. We open a cover to $100 and wait for the closure. By the way, have a look at this small rollback movement. We can consider it a retest of the level and an addictive signal for entering with lower. Meanwhile, look at this maximum confident motion that we managed to catch on our cover. Our analysis and signal on the indicator were right. Great, we move on. Found another great case, I enter with higher. First of all, we see the blue line's intersection from bottom to top, which signalizes about uptrend. Besides that, to confirm the signal, we can look at the chart's history and make sure the general trend is pointed up. let's watch candles. We see great impulsive candles with higher, and the last candle has a big shadow at the bottom. It means a good buyer is going to try going higher. I'm just shocked how we're catching just awesome movements thanks to this simple strategy. Oh my god, obviously this deal will be closed in a profit as well. And our goal, turning $100 into $500, is accomplished. Let's watch statistics. We updated for sure. Well, now let's withdraw our profit. Favorite part, you know. We click Finance panel. Here we go to withdrawal, and right here we fill in the sum. Here we fill in the wallet's address, and finally a confirmation code. We click continue, and our request has been sent. Well, thanks to this simple strategy, we managed to make deposit 5 times bigger. Yeah, that's right. And just imagine what would happen if you were trading together with me. Today, in my Telegram channel, I run a trading session on which I'm going to use not only this strategy but many other ones. The link is in the description as always. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. See you.